hey guys, Bentley Beasley here, and guess what? Today, it is very raining outside, and look at this. You see it's raining. It's really raining a lot, but flooded in my floor. But the easily way I think, if you subscribe, you can see one of my underwater videos. And you can check my playlist of underwater videos. And I have a little playlist of underwater videos, and check down the link in the description below. And hope you enjoy some. So we just got to do this real fast, but I'm gonna just talk to you before I make an underwater video. But the easily way I got is the way I do. But I try to make a Beanie Boo go swimming video, but it's taken a long time, so I'll try again. So check down the link in the description below to see it. But so hope you enjoyed the video. Just subscribe and turn on my notifications. And see you next time for more videos every day.